the wild. The Agent of the Faces finds a root to tear apart as he digs to try to get at a tasty morsel. Will the pageant succeed in his quest to find what he's looking for? The digging, searching further into the ground. But wait, a Rodinia coming to inspect the work as she has lost the ball. She searches. He digs. Together, a formidable pack. Closer. He comes to the prize. Roots in his way are no matter what he has done to find something. On the cliffside, what is it that he seeks? Curious, the road dog. Oh, there's the mouse! It was a mouse! It ran off into the bush. Close, but no cigar. Now working in tandem to root out any others that may still linger. Their fate sealed. The pageant, not as nimble as the Rodinia, struggles upon the cliffside. Go, go. Adventure pup, go. Get it, get it. A couple of clowns. She just wants to chew on whatever may be found. He is on the hunt.